From 10 o'clock go reach 11 o'clock every weekday for inside Obodo, Nigeria, don't turn to Christmas, sake of as e dey hot. Because the matter when we say, plenty people no go agree, won't discuss them, even though na wetin dey affect us. Now we dey carry come sunshine, make everybody chook mouth on top so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. Now the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when sabi well as they concern politic matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Tuesday's edition of that Ogbonge program where they do it, where they give on political activities, political events where they happen for Obodo, Nigeria, and then the issue no go different from the regular ones. Now the same politics, the same hot, sizzling politics. Now we'll go talk about today, and then once again we'll go open our phone line for that to also do it, for that to contribute because we want to make the relationship between us and Una make it very tight. We'll go open our phone line very soon so that now if you chook mouth for inside the matter we'll go talk about today. Yes, the program now asks it is hot, and my name never still change as usual. My name is Nkubi.
We go open our phone lines at exactly 10:15 a.m. So you won't get our number now. Begin the call. Because when we start this discussion, the matter go hot, true. What we discuss today is a very serious issue. Oga Alex Subundu Bade, when we say now Chief of Defense Staff for this our country, from January 2014, go reach July 2015, he don't come out for office, and President Muhammadu Buhari don't replace him. But he gets some kind strong talk now when we say, they talk, when they put fear inside the mind of people. A person will occupy sensitive position, important position when we say, see security. Now you they hold the key of our security for inside this country. And for you to come begin to talk some kind strong things, now things will go make people fear. Oga Alex Bade, they follow news, television, tori people, they talk. Yesterday, for in house, he can't drop bombshell. He talk say, our army them, they no better reach hunter. I go talk am. They no better reach hunter when they carry catapult, go kill bird inside bush. Why he talk this one? He said the last time when we carry money, enter market. Make una dey hear, Chief of Defense Staff. The last time when we carry money, enter market, go buy weapon. Now 2006. Do your plus or minus. This one are over 8 years ago. If we do the plus or minus, now like 9 years when we last buy anything, put inside the arsenal of our country. He can't take and go far. He can't talk say the jet when we say we they use for air to use they punish all these Jaguda people. Say the youngest one na 1981. Now in them buy them. Say the thing now if many of those jets before the thing fly, then they push them before the thing start. Many Nigerians come they ask say, Oga, you did this position. You not talk am. You even want court-martial. You even court-martial Nigerian soldiers them. We put their life on the line. Say then they fight. You say then they run because they don't get anything to fight against Boko Haram. Say why then they run? They for face the battle. Now the question when they ask now say why you be saying now you can't begin to sing. When we say when you dare that position, see president. Anything when you tell them, he go here. And I don't they talk this thing on top of this show. Say government be like clock, but some people now then they spoil the work of government and I don't see them. Say now some people now then just put Sansa inside the galley of our president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. The man will get better plan for this our country. See where we did today. Nkubi, make a hear what you want to talk for this matter. You don't get talk. You no. You don't get talk. No. You don't get talk. But I go hear what you want to talk.
I no get talk. Chief of Defense Staff, former Chief of Defense Staff, Alex Bade, who appoint him. I no get talk. Answer that one.
Wetin be who appoint him?
Of course, no. Who appoint him?
Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
Thank you very much. So who be the people they spoil the good work of the government? Why ain't go come out now? Come they complain all this? What the make I not come out since? People don't die, don't lose their head. What the make I not come out that time? Complain that time. Why you know say the last time where them buy out in 2006? What the make I not come out that time? Come now. Now because of say they don't come out from the position after some weeks because they come out on the talk. Who can talk with that? They're supposed to even probe themselves. They're supposed to probe them.
Why you can't raise your voice?
Because it vex me. Why did they ask me say I no get talk? What do you mean I don't get talk? I think as if now it don't do you. It should be probed. What is that? Why you gonna come out now and talk? Eh? People when they die, when they run away from when they run from all these Jaguda people, they know a reason. Now we start to see the reason. In the comments, make them when they die for nothing.
Unkubi.
Where arms no they?
They bring out money, make they buy weapon, they don't bring out money.
Okay, they bring out money. Okay, why Oga Jordan no follow up? Why would the chief of the chief of defense when they talk about why no come and call talk say see what happen o?
If some people when they give that money, they don't buy what they supposed to buy. Oga President they chook eye for different things for inside this country. He be magician.
1981, Chukudi, 1981 jet 1981. I didn't buy jet last. Hey!
Unkubi, make I ask you this question.
Don't ask me.
I must ask you.
Ask me.
I must ask
Why?
you.
It concern me.
It concern you. It concern you.
I don't want that.
It concern you.
People don't die for nothing. They don't want people life. Now, government because they come out now, call they talk all this way they talk. Why you say talk this way you supposed to talk? At least the government or people for them they ask questions for them to the question government say, oh, so this is how it is. Government. So now they take the life of our army, they take play abi. Why they don't come out that I can't talk?
Now this same thing Oga Bobby talk talk when concern all of us for Nigeria.
No, this one concern us.
You know which concern you. You don't
me.
take it in personal. You don't begin to attack me. What I talk they bad for this thing. Unkubi, if you give your wife money, may you go market, make it cook soup for you. You go follow and go market.
If you want kick against her, me I dey kick against her. It is not good. You kick against her.
Why you going to blame Oga Jonah? The question when I ask you be say he give money, abi he no give money.
Chukudi, he give money. Why don't they follow up?
Sincerity of purpose no day.
2006.
Okay, who there for president for 2006? No be Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Who succeed Chief Olusegun Obasanjo? No be Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. So what you gonna talk? This is a problem when go back. You go when they put up for the doorstep of one man.
Immediately Oga Jonah come. Now he start to get the issue where they get.
Which issue?
Oh, may I ask you? Now immediately Oga Jonah come. Now they don't put a bar say, make they don't say America don't put bar, make they don't say I'm to Nigeria.
Unkubi, I go quote something for you now.
No, answer that one.
No, before I answer, let me quote something.
And they talk say something no dey bad. See, if you see bad, may kick against that. Oga Bade, it is bad for you to come out at this stage, to come and talk on this stage. It is bad.
Thank you very much. Thank you, say you don't come at all, say this thing when Oga Bade talk.
He bad now.
They're very, very bad.
He bad before.
And that one don't mean say all the people when they carry all the blame, put for the head of Oga Jonah now, they don't see am say clear, say some people, then they use their hand, they spoil this government. Make I tell you what you need to understand.
When you talk about welfare, military welfare, now these are the reasons why. People when they bring out that, when they talk say they will sentence them to death. These are the reasons why. These are the reasons why they say they want sentence people where.
Unkubi, take am easy. Oga, no bring our voice down. Oga Alex Bade, we know say you dey watch. We go call your name. Oga Alex Bade, we know say you dey watch. Why now? Why? No, we dey talk to you like brothers now.
Like you be our papa.
We dey talk to you like
our father. Don't see us
No. Make you no see us as our father.
How?
Now only one papa I get.
Who be the papa?
President Muhammadu Buhari now. Which one be? Why you go there? How many fathers? No. Let me talk to him.
I get two fathers.
Talk to him as your father. Let me talk to him as
my original papa. And I get my papa.
You are not sure?
I'm sure now. Two fathers.
You are not sure? Me, I get only one papa. As far as this country they concerned, say we want move this country forward. Now only one papa I get.
They deny your father for house.
I know they deny. We know their house.
They deny Ezugu for house.
No, we don't even go there.
No. They deny Ezugu they have. They watch you right now.
Don't even go there. I know. Now me know what they talk about.
The original Ezugu. They hear your son, they deny you. Anyway, ride on. Me, I will not deny my own father. Amabu. I will not deny you. Ride on. No talk.
Why your papa name come different from the one where you answer for here?
Nkubi now that one they leave Nkubi alone.
Amabu. You are guilty. I am guilty.
No.
You are guilty. I am guilty.
not deny my papa in front of.
We should both be probed.
That's why I said
we should not be probed.
You will be probed.
You will be probed.
You will be probed. At the level of Alex Bade.
Make we talk to. No. Hey, now you go there.
I no go. Now I don't try talk.
Oga Alex Bade, make we talk to you like say we be brothers.
No, they will be picking to him.
No, I mean I don't know. And I only one papa for now for this politics. Now only one papa I get. Say wait, you deposition from January 2014, going July 2015, over 1 year for this position. Chief of Defense Staff now the person when we say he hold the key to our national security. You no talk anything. Say e be like say somehow oh, we no get weapon oh, wetin you don see, you no talk anything.
Chukudi, may I even talk?
All the times when you dey issue statement, you dey talk say our army dey ready, make nobody dey run from Boko Haram. Our soldier people.
Chukudi, make we no even throw the blame alone to body. People wey in succeed in call, they no dey aware of all these things.
Thank you.
People wey in succeed, they aware of all these things. They don't keep quiet. A lot of people they die for nothing. People just dey carry sticks, they go fight. Five people wey get armed. On what ground? Equip your force, equip your military them. So that we fit fight because we know the kind of military we get.
Government
capable people. What say? That they even tell what they will do.
Nkubi, you know what? You don't even need to go far. As you just mentioned, say we know the kind of military people we get. Based on say me, I get military background. You understand?
For where you learn from backyard, because that one I understand. I know say you no get military background, but I will know where you do your own.
Which one be you know where I do my?
I know where you do your own military background.
I don't go command. Which one be?
Command different. No, they mention this command thing where they mention command. No be school. You go command. That school you go.
No be soldier they teach us. What did we make another mention?
Teach you.
No be soldier they teach us.
Online for assembly. They put you for assembly. They will turn and give the necessary instructions. I mean I go to class. Now what do they take up?
See this one I just jealousy.
Now people like us get small military background.
Which military background? You go NYSC, you dey jump rope, you say you get military background. You go NYSC, you dey climb under pop.
You say the level of rope.
Which rope you climb? Which rope you climb? Ewedu green different from Ugu green oh. You wear khaki, NYSC khaki, you say you get military background. Never you mention that. No, they mention that kind of thing.
Don't they even mention your own here?
Why I don't go mention my own?
No, they mention your own here.
I don't pay school fees. No, they mention my own.
You pay school fees for that to train as military.
No be military school.
Military school. Not be military.
Not be military background.
Military school. You just be like when you get a particular university. You can't say the university get a secondary school inside. Not waiting to be. Wetin dey talk? Abeg talk.
No dey talk all these things to.
Why no go talk am?
No dey call dey form my hand for
no be for your hand.
Which how you go take form my hand? I no get military background.
No Chukwu, no dey mention military
background. You know wetin happen for once we start to dey take call, no even talk for this matter because na military people na in this matter concern and I want to address this issue like a military man.
Oga Alex, don't cut me. The same military level I get am.
Which military level you get?
I serve NYSC for 3 weeks. That is good enough for me.
You dey one place for 3 weeks. No, most of the time no be mami market. No be mami market. No be mami market. No be mami market be your base.
1 year.
Which your country you serve? People wey get military background. I did it for 6 years from JSS1 to SS3.
You know
JSS1 to SS3. From small now they don cook me military based on background. You come here they tell me say this thing. Allow me when we get military background address this issue. Oga Alex Wade, I wan speak to you now like military person now. Even though na background I might get. Abeg. As Nkubi don talk, the first time when we say people begin to occupy this position, e go back as far back as 1981. And since then, we don get a series of people when we say they be chief of defense staff.
Take over.
Now, wetin all these people when not occupy this position, wetin they don do? The strength of every nation are the economy and the military. The military na go preserve the territorial integrity and the unity of the country. Who be the people when we say that they undermine our military? Our soldier people, they don't be human being. You don't get family for house. You don't get a weapon. You can't just go fight. What do you mean that?
Okay, we don't get, the last time we buy jet, now 1981. Okay, all these external this is support they go give other countries. Where and where would they get our
we contribute our soldiers.
Will they contribute our soldiers? Okay.
But then again, make we come check out. During the activities of ECOMOG, which fighter jets and everything our military people they use? Why one person go come and cut this matter? Now very serious issue.
It should be investigated.
Very serious issue.
No. It should be investigated. Make we know whether if there is an element of you understand.
I talk these things. Say God when they for heaven when no they sleep go clear the name of good people, and this way the name of Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan he don't declare.
But then somehow you could make we even talk through. Some people talk through. In as much as Oga Jonah did there. We can also tell ourselves some good truth. Okay, they put eye for inside waiting they happen for the country. It's supposed to put eye and say, okay, this thing is not being done the way. Okay, see, I give money for arms. Okay, if this thing is not working out this way, what will be the next step? Say this kind of people there in government. Not even say make it do something about them. Just allow them. Do this thing. He supposed know I think as the commander in chief of the armed forces, he supposed know. So okay, see when it comes to the military this thing background. Okay, see, I'm waiting. They in place for military. He's supposed to even check, so okay, see waiting military.
Say maybe because you don't get military background.
No, but it's supposed to see. Person will be president is supposed to get knowledge of everything. That's why you get advisors. That's why you get ministers. That's why you get everything around that.
No vessel, but this month and last month, this thing where you talk now, Now the first time when we say you talk true on top of this show be this.
Me.
And I appreciate that.
Me.
No take and go fight. I appreciate that.
Wait.
No.
Me.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Wait. Now me they hear the truth when they talk. So if you talk true, I go tell you.
But you don't ask yourself, say, what do they talk? How they sound from my own ear?
I don't need to ask you because Nigerians when they call in, they don't agree say
No.
I'm a man of truth.
No.
We
Leave
can't.
Nigerians out of this.
No.
This is between me
no,
and
it's
you.
not between me and you.
If you,
it's not
if
between me
I
and
talk now, it's just the same as truth. Since for the last 2 months, you don't ask yourself, say, what you
no, not
did,
be 2 months. 1 month and 4 days.
Anyhow, but you don't ask yourself, say, the things when they talk, how they take sound from my own ear, whether not true or not.
I dey see you say after our show you dey go dey think.
Me?
Meaning say the thing when I dey talk dey touch you.
Oga Bobby, they call us. Wait, make a response to this. Oga Bobby, good morning.
Good morning, Okubi.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning, Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Bobby. We hail you.
My temper don't come down now.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Oga Bobby.
The today topic, it sounds funny and strange.
Strange, very strange.
It sounds strange and funny because why I say it sounds strange and funny, they say all those why when they did that. First of all, for you to be a
Chief
head
of Defense Staff.
Of defense staff, you're supposed to know what the army wants.
Capability of the army, yes.
Know the budget.
Yes.
Army get their own budget of for weapons, for equipment, for safety boot, their shoe to clothes, to everything when they need. The army they give budget what did they need and what did they need. Both weapons and everything. Cloth whether they wear everything. No, army supposed to have a budget for it. They go submit them. Then the government now go give them the money. It's okay, Muna take. Then there's a money for what's it called? Defense. That one apart different money entirely for defense. It means say now the entire country you want defense, so you need weapon for it, ammunition, all those things there. You need budget for that. Then again that money again for to because when you look at America and the rest of the world there, the army so when you see that so that they do tests of different programs. So all of that money where they're supposed to budget for. But I look at these people when they put for power, they're not there educated to know about all these things then. Because all those things when we say army for every year, America or Britain and not the rest so that they get weapons and all those things then. So you get to find those who really know.
We understand that we know what it is.
Exactly. Not like Shukudi where they are shot military background. You get military background. Your military background when you shot every time. So
now school.
Can you not be matter to carry gun you have to shoot to now to get the technique to know how to know where to shoot your enemy to take the down. You know, like you know they watch all these Navy SEAL movies there because now what did the real American Navy SEALs they do? Not be sure for movie alone. No. American Navy SEAL, they are different. Their tactics are different from military training. You understand me? So that they endure, endurance of pains. You understand me? Now, those who they say go stay water for 2 days, they wait for the target. You understand me? Now, hide beside bush for 2 days or 3 days or 1 week. They wait for the target to take the target down. You understand me? So those are the things that we say, not to shout military background. Your military background don't tire me.
Yes, Oga Bobby, thank you very, very much. Thank you. In fact, thank you for at least contributing to this issue because that issue where people need to call and talk into. Yes, that's about it. So Chukudi, as we take talk, in short, Oga Bobby, the question we should be asking ourselves is, how true is this talk? And even if not true, why in come out now can they raise the issue? Why in no talk when in they in charge? Why in send out military say, men are going to fight with sticks, and that is, men are going to fight with weapon where they carry, where we know say no weapon in place. I mean, these are the questions we should be asking.
Well, Unkubi, you see, this talk when we say chief, when Oga Alex Badi they talk, not be something when we say, when people will talk say, we go just talk say it don't make any sense because the position of the chief of defense staff now the highest ranking position for the Nigerian Armed Forces and the kind job when we say the person is supposed to do, he go they formulate, they implement, they execute policies when we say everything about national security. You know, say money for security, no, they get budget at all. We don't get special intervention funds when we say, okay, people they look say this Boko Haram Jaguda people they cause trouble for this country, make we give them money. The question now say it don't show say systematically something they very very wrong with our country, and waiting they wrong. The people when we say that their work to chook eye into so many important things, they know they do them from the biggest person to the least person. If you release money, say, okay, we'll make we buy weapons to fight Boko Haram Jaguda people, you suppose get channels when we say the money go follow, and you go make sure say them buy this thing. Even if that will come show you receipts, say see what thing we buy. For different countries of the world, or even they call it in other climes, that they do display of military hardware.
Exactly.
Jets go they fly like this, everybody fly to show say we get all these things. If our Alpha jets now 1981, our
you know how many
Alpha
they
jets.
don't do in place? You know how many they don't take replace them? You know how many they don't countries don't say, okay, see the new one where they replace this one. See the modified jet where don't replace this one. Where in fact, Ogo Biora, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
How are you?
They fine.
You said this thing where this our former defense chief talk is a very shameful thing. One, why Goodluck appointing as the defense chief is for him to know the problem of his region. This man is from Adamawa State. Even when these people wanted to attack his village, he do one corner attitude. Because he go village, come collect him people, move. After 1 week, that attack now enter. So now, if this man will be telling the whole world that since 2006, that Nigeria did not buy anything, so why is he not resign? Because you cannot work without weapons. Then after that, why is he still insist that he will execute those soldiers that say that they don't have enough weapons to fight these people? So when you look at it, again, in Kubi, you see, you always blame Goodluck. A father cannot do the work of mother and the work of the children in the house. Goodluck as a president, have advisors, have chief of defense. And this work, this budget, defense budget, goes to them. So now, since Badea bring himself out, I am asking the present government to look inside him and ask him where those money go, so that he will explain more. And ask him why did Boko Haram defeat soldiers in some areas in this our territory. Because this in talk, Monkey Day said something. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ogo Biora. Thank you very, very much. So Chukudi, we don't hear Ogo Biora. And sincerely, in all ramifications, that is, in all sincerity, we go say this thing where Oga bad they come and come talk. There'll be something where, in fact, it is shameful somehow. If now waiting happen, it is very, very shameful for you to come and talk, say, see waiting and waiting happen. Okay, waiting make you not even raise the voice, waiting make you not raise your voice, talk, say, see waiting that happen. Or nothing even make you know, say, okay, you want to do it, you want to resign onto this level, say, because of say this is not available.
True.
At least that one will come call for questioning. You will call for Nigerians to they aware, say, yes, so, see waiting day. Come they question the government, say, government, what can I do about this matter? And that will come make government sit up. Yes, right about now, we'll do it. We will go for this quick break. When we come back, we will enter back into this issue. Will they come?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.